Well, howdy doody, good morning, good morgen, friends, enemies, whatever. Well, as some of you knew, I've been on an SIA course, Security Industry Approved. Won't get my exam results until sometime next week. The written exam was pretty damned hard, so that's a 50-50. If I pass, I'll start searching for the area I want to go into, which is more the investigative side. If I fail, well, you know, I've lost nothing. Oh, blowing a hoolie today. Apparently got some snow coming tomorrow. That'll be nice. Do you want to build a snowman? Yeah, right. But yesterday was the last day. Full day, 9 to 5. Physical intervention. I'm sure you know the sort of stuff I'm talking about. How to hold people, escort them, pull them apart in fights, you know, the general putting on of hands type stuff, with due regard for their personal safety and their freedom. Yeah, right, okay. Someone's drunk and having a punch up, I'm going to be really lovey-dovey, aren't I? Wow, that's windy. I have very arthritic knees. Oh, I couldn't walk last night when I got home. I got through the day quite nicely, passed with quite nice comments about how well I'd done. So I'm pleased, but then I should do, had police training and whatever. But when you're 62 and your knees are shot, it can be quite painful, especially the putting people down and getting back up and down and up and down. So I got home last night, zapped a pizza because I wasn't in the mood to cook. Sat on the sofa, watching the old news on the goggle box. Wow, that's woo. And seized up. Probably took me the best part of 10 minutes to get up. It shows how unfit I've become, really. I suppose I should do more exercise. So, fitness. How fit are you really? And I'm aiming this more at the older riders, although there's probably a few younger ones who don't do much. Now I have COPD, which means I can't jog or run, but I can walk and keep mobile, and I do. I keep very mobile. I'm always out and about doing something. And apart from, really, it was only my knees, I was doing better than a lot of the young people there. You know, after 10 minutes they were walking up to the window and opening it and taking their jumpers off and going red, and didn't understand it. So is it a generational thing? Why were the younger people there, and I'm talking in their age range 22 to about 30, excuse me, we're all struggling? And there was 3 or 4 of us more mature ones looking at each other thinking, what's wrong with them? So my question really is, are the younger generation generically a lot less healthy or a lot less fit? Whoa, bloody hell, that was cut and dried, that one. Are they spending too much time in front of the television? Is it because they haven't done any physical exercise at school, because most of that's been stopped? I don't know. My daughters are very physical, you know. bike riding, one does a bit of mountaineering, horse riding, that sort of thing. So in my own family I haven't noticed it. What's your experience of young versus old and stamina, I suppose? The ability to keep going or keep doing things. Interesting. It makes I wonder what the world's coming to. Right, I'm off to the shop here. I shall catch you again. It was just a short one. So you know the rules. Ride safe, stay happy, and keep smiling at the awkward ones, because it really hacks them off. Catch you later. Bye.